2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, security system, compass, brake assist, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.